Hello everyone, welcome back once again to the channel that still exists, the Fat Hipster channel. And I am John, and today I'm going to be trying a new product from Jimmy John's. And no, it's not named after me because my name does not have an H in it. Anyway, today I'm going to be trying 3 products. The first one is a new flavor of chip they have. This one, the Firecracker Jimmy chips. They're supposed to be hot flavored. I didn't know hot was a flavor. It says hot flavored. What's in it? Potatoes, oil, melted dextrin, sugar, dextrose, salt, barley, flour, yeast, MSG, red 40, onion powder, spice, cottonseed oil, sunflower seed oil, flavor, garlic, citric acid, sodium inositol, sodium guanylate, yellow 6, yellow 5. Alright, so there's an undefined spice in here, but there is red 40, which means that these are going to be red. And look at that, they are red. It kind of looks like a Flamin' Hot kind of thing. Let's see if it tastes like what a Flamin' Hot tastes like. Similar. I guess hot flavored would be a decent way to describe this, being that there's no other discernible flavors. It's kind of sweet. It's kind of salty. For having all the savory chemicals in it, it's not really as savory as I would have hoped. But it's not bad. If you were thinking that these were going to be Flamin' Hot chips, you probably wouldn't be disappointed. I don't know if Flamin' Hot has like a tinge of lime in it, but this doesn't have any of that like sour hit to it. It does have citric acid in it. I'm just not getting a whole bunch of tartness, sourness. I didn't get myself any kind of napkins. Alright, let's cool down with a refreshing Diet Dr. Pepper. This is not one of the 3 things that I'm reviewing. It has the JJ Super Seal. I'll give it the JG All Right seal. It's pretty good. It tastes like Flamin' Hot. Alright. Next thing is this big old wrap. The wrap probably this big. It's cut in half, so I'm going to take 1/2 of it. Basically, this is how big it is. There's my face. It's cut in half. This is supposed to have those chips in it. So that's why I want to taste the chips first. Just to see what they taste like by themselves. But it's meat and vegetables. Some kind of flamin' sauce. There's peppers in here. There's a bunch of spicy stuff. Some meats, some cheeses. You really want to know what it is? Look it up. It's on the website. I didn't do before this, and I don't have it in front of me. So I'm not going to waste time to tell you what I don't know. It looks like turkey, salami, provolone, lettuce, tomato, those hot peppers, some kind of sauce, wrapped in a red wrapper. Something about this said ghost pepper, but I'm not too worried. I don't think Jimmy John's is going to blow me away with anything too ghost peppery here. Here we go. think I got a chip in there with that second bite. The first bite, I don't think I got one just because when I bit into the chip, it was still really hard and crunchy. Okay, so I'm going to rate this two different ways. First of all, it's called a Firecracker wrap. It uses the Firecracker chips. It has the word ghost pepper in the description, so something in here has the ingredient of ghost pepper somewhere in it. I'm assuming it's very minimal. So the first thing I need to rate is how spicy this is. I'm going to say not much at all. The chips by themselves, you can feel some spice to it. My tongue still has some tingliness from it. The wrap itself, with everything else that has going for it, the fact it has all the cold meats, cheese, and vegetables on it, there's like a ranchy kind of sauce on here. I think it's their jalapeno ranch sauce that they have. It's just not spicy. The peppers, the chips, the ranch sauce in here, nothing is overly spicy about this at all. So my first rating is going to be, did you get this because you thought it was going to be something really spicy? It did not do that. My second rating is going to be, is this a good sandwich? Will you enjoy it? And to that I will say, you will enjoy it. It's tasty, fresh, vegetables, meat, cheeses. The ranch sauce is actually a pretty good ranch sauce. I really don't know what the difference between their Kickin' Ranch and this new jalapeno ranch is. It's both ranch with a little bit of a peppery kick to it. It's a good wrap. It's probably not my favorite wrap I've ever had at Jimmy John's. As far as like their limited time wraps go, I don't hate it. I don't dislike it. If you were to offer me this, I'd gladly eat it. But I think there's just other things on there that if I'm going to be ordering for myself in the future, I wouldn't necessarily go to this one. I do like the fact that it has chips in it. I think putting chips in sandwiches and wraps is a novel idea for places to do. I know people have done that themselves for years, so eliminate the middleman. Just put the chips in the sandwich when you give it to a person. It gives it a little crunch, a little bit of a different taste sometimes. Who knows? I think salt and pepper chips, salt and vinegar chips in a sandwich would go really well on some of their wraps or sandwiches. I'm kind of wary of just how red the tortilla is and the red 40 that's in the chips. You can read online anywhere saying that you should avoid red 40 for one of any reasons. So it just seems like unnecessarily to make this all super red. It's good. I enjoy it. I'll enjoy the other half later. No complaints at all. about the quality and the taste of that wrap. It's just not spicy. Last thing, this is the other thing they had on their menu advertising things. The confetti cookie sandwich. This has a confetti cookie, some kind of cream middle part, and sprinkles. I'm assuming, excuse me, that this is going to taste sugary. And we'll drop sprinkles everywhere. Say bye. Everywhere. The cookie itself is just barely holding on to itself. It's super soft. The cookie is almost just as soft and creamy as the cream. Flavor-wise, tastes like your typical vanilla sugar cookie. Typical white vanilla cream. Nothing to write home about, nothing to complain about. It just exists. And deal with it. Would I order again? Probably not, because I enjoyed their chocolate chip cookie way more than that. It's just kind of sugary and slightly vanilla-y. The best part about this whole meal, I would think, is the wrap. It's the thing I enjoyed the most. It is not spicy in any way, shape, or form. So I give it a few points off for that, but like most things at Jimmy John's, the ingredients were good, the quality was good, their sauces and their meats, everything tasted great. So I've nothing to complain about. When I eat the rest, I'll be very happy about it. Anyway, thank you for joining me again on the Fat Hipster channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it encouraged you to like it and subscribe to my channel. If you are a frequent watcher of my videos, you might notice that it's been a while since I posted a video, and that's probably how things will continue for the near future. I hope that doesn't mean that you unsubscribe or watch me any less. Just appreciate it that much more when it does come out, like how I appreciate each and every one of you. And before lightning strikes me to signify how bad of a lie that was, I'll bid you all farewell. Goodbye.
The SIU women's team my senior year was their play-by-play boy, like one of the first